Hey everybody, what's going on? Bixby Button here, back again with another awesome video. And in today's video, let's talk about the new process of Bixby, or the new Bixby key that is happening on the Galaxy Note 10. So today we will be showing this off with the Galaxy A80, and this phone gives off a lot of forthcoming information about exactly what to expect with the Galaxy Note 10. And one of those is the new way to use Bixby, which is by using your power key. So when you press and hold, when you have this one activated through the quick settings, you press and hold and Bixby will be able to listen to you. Now, before we go inside of this video, if you guys are brand new here at the channel of Jimmy is Promo and you own a Samsung Galaxy device, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, as well as the bell for notifications to get notified for future videos. And don't forget about that playlist tab on the very top. Check out all the videos I made so far for the Galaxy S10 Plus. So on the very top of your phone with all your quick settings, you can see that this option here for power key for Bixby. When you press and hold, this is where you can either have it on, you can have it off. So now what's going to happen is that when you do press and hold on the power key, it'll go to the regular screen that you're normally used to seeing: power off, restart, and emergency mode. Now if we go through and we turn this one on, what'll happen now is that your power is now on the very top right here. So instead of it being used with the power key, you'll actually click on the little power button, and this is how you can turn it off, restart it, and everything else. Now from this screen, what it looks like when you swipe down, you'll have your power key right next to the settings icon. So exactly what all does this say and what all you got to do? So in order for you to talk to Bixby, you want to do a press and hold. So you can talk to Bixby. You can tell Bixby what to do when you press and hold on the power key. Now to access the power options, you need to use the power key for Bixby, or when you do have the power key for Bixby, you can tap the button of the quick settings panel to access power off, restart, and emergency mode, which is everything that we just showed you. So how about you can also say, "Hi Bixby, what's the weather today?"
I need your permission to continue.
So I'm very new with turning on and getting all the permissions of Bixby, but it's all running. It's working very well. It's looking really good. Again, when you press and hold, it'll go into Bixby. If you just press the button the one time, it'll just basically power off the screen and go to your lock screen. So now let's go through the fingerprint. Let's look at Bixby just a little bit more in depth of the application itself, and let's see if we can find it. So I don't see Bixby sitting right here, but let's move on over into the screen here. Here is Bixby Home. This is what it looks like. Let's agree to all of this. And so here's just going back to the regular card. So really everything here looks pretty much the exact same as before. It's really just the functions of the key of Bixby key now being gone, and your power is going to be on the very top right hand side. So when I noticed in some of the pictures of the Galaxy Note 10 that the Bixby key was gone, I was wondering if it was going to be one of those where it was squeezed to assist, just like they have with the Pixel. So on the Pixel devices, you can squeeze the edge of the phones and it was able to go into the Google Assistant. But this one was not there. It's going to be with the press and hold to activate Bixby to basically speak with it, and powering off and turning it off is going to be when you pull down the notifications panel and hitting on your power button. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe. You can subscribe right over here on the very bottom left hand side. Share this video with your friends and family and social media sites, and write comments below. Are you interested in getting the Galaxy Note 10? Yes or no, and why or why not? And if you are interested in the Note 10, but it's a little too expensive, you might as well just go for the Galaxy A80. This device is literally the Galaxy Note 10, but half the price.